Are you trying to decide between TradingView and ThinkorSwim? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular trading platforms to help you make the right choice. Both TradingView and ThinkorSwim are powerful tools for traders. They offer charts, analysis, and trading features, but they do have some key differences that might make one better for you. Let's start with TradingView. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for beginners, but also offers advanced features for experienced traders. You can create custom charts and use a wide range of indicators. Plus, there's a strong community where you can share ideas and strategies. Now, let's look at ThinkorSwim. This platform is part of TD Ameritrade. It's more focused on serious traders. ThinkorSwim provides in-depth analysis tools and a wide range of investment options. It also has powerful charting capabilities, but it can be a bit complex for newcomers. So, what are the main differences? TradingView is web-based and easy to use, while ThinkorSwim is a downloadable software with more advanced features. TradingView is great for social trading, whereas ThinkorSwim is excellent for serious analysis and trading. When it comes to features, TradingView shines with its social aspects and extensive charting tools. ThinkorSwim offers more comprehensive trading options and research tools. In terms of pricing, TradingView has a free version but also offers paid plans for more features. ThinkorSwim is free with a TD Ameritrade account, but it may require a minimum deposit. In the end, if you're a beginner or want to connect with other traders, go for TradingView. But if you're serious about trading and need advanced tools, ThinkorSwim is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.